Hi guys, I'm Tripura and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this simple eye look. I created this cut crease eye look for everyone with hooded eyes. Like having hooded eyes, it is very difficult to do cut creases, so I thought I will share how to do a cut crease for hooded eyes. So let's get into the video. First of all, I am starting with L'Oreal Base Magic Primer. Then for my brows, I am using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Brunette. This is actually a very good eyebrow pencil if you want something under good budget that will not smudge for longer times. After filling in my brows, I am using the Louise eye base. I usually use a concealer, but this time I am using a eye base because I want my colors to pop up more. Then I am blending the concealer using a beauty blender. For my eyes today, I am using the Makeup Revolution Pro New Neutrals eyeshadow palette and taking the darkest shade on a small fluffy brush and applying the eyeshadow above my crease. Remember, if you have hooded eyes, always apply your eyeshadow above your crease. First, I am packing the color. When I am satisfied with the pigmentation of the color, then I am going to blend the color out. I am doing the same with the other eye. Now I am taking this pink shade on a small blending brush and packing the color above the first color and blending both the colors. This will give us a nice gradient of colors. After that, I am taking this lightest shade in the palette and using a big blending brush, I am blending it out. Now using some concealer on a flat brush, I am going to cut my crease. Remember to cut your crease above your crease line if you have hooded eyes, because if you cut it below the crease, you can't actually see the color when you open your eyes. Then I am taking this shimmery shade from the palette and applying it using a flat brush. Then on a pencil brush, I am again taking the second color I applied on my eyes and blending it with the shimmer eyeshadow. Then for my face today, I am using a color corrector. I am using the orange color corrector. Then for my foundation, I am using the NYKAA Skinshield Anti-Pollution Foundation. I am in the shade Golden Hour and applying it on my face. Then blending it out using a beauty blender. This is a very good foundation if you have oily skin. For my concealer today, I am using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I am in the shade C11. For my contour today, I am using the LAgirl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast, and I am using my fingers to apply the product on my face, then blending it in using a beauty blender. For my blush today, I am taking the nykaaxmasaba collection lipstick in the shade Kaleing Me Softly and applying it on my cheeks as a blush. Then I am taking the same eyeshadow palette and applying the product using a small fluffy brush under my eyes to give more smoky effect to my eyes. Then I went in and applied eyelashes. And finally I am using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. That's it guys, we are done with the look. I hope you guys like the look and the video. If you like this video, do like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.